Feature creep, a continuous expansion or addition of new product features beyond the original scope. It's one of the most common causes of cost and schedule overruns. It usually occurs because features are easy or convenient to add. This is particularly common in software development. Features accumulate over multiple generations of a product. Feature creep appears when stakeholders start thinking they know what's best for the users. Yes, that's without communicating with the users. Sometimes features are easy to add, especially in software web development environments. You can think of feature creep as cancer for software applications. It accumulates too many features that end up crippling or even sometimes killing the product. Watch out for small features that can easily sneak in and stay. It is hard to detect. It blends so well that the environment can hurt your product really bad. The key driver that underlies all feature creep is the belief that more is better, and therefore, features are continuously added and rarely taken away. Adding features adds complexity, and more complexity means added cost. A study commissioned by Philips Electronics found that at least half of the returned products had nothing wrong with them. Consumers just couldn't figure out how to use them. Most of the time, feature creep changes the scope of a project, increasing time and cost with nominal impact on performance and the customer experience, with the added nuances of performance issues and usability consequences. So what to do about all this? Recognition is the first step of recovery. Step 1 is to be on the lookout for feature creep in design and development and educate your peers about the trap. Feature additions and changes typically come in little bits and pieces, and so it is easy to get ensnared. This is why it's called feature creep and not feature explosion. Step 2. Ensure features are linked to customer needs and are not added out of convenience or appeasement. Whenever someone proposes a change just because it's easy or they know what's best for the customer. Step 3. When doing updated version of a design, ask not just what can be added but what can be subtracted. Every good product release should subtract as well as add. And step 4. Create a project milestone to formally freeze the product specification. Freeze means no more changes. Shout feature creeper at anybody attempting to add features beyond this point. So, whether you use your knowledge of feature creep to help keep your projects on time and on budget, to incorporate feature subtraction as a formal part of your product update cycle, or to avoid the unintended and sometimes catastrophic consequences of scope changes, remember the next feature you add could well be the feature that break the project's back.